I'm here with Catherine and Mike. Catherine, tell me, why are you here at PPMA this year and with Mike on this stand?
Okay, so we're exhibiting with our strategic system partner SCM today, and we're demonstrating some of the robots that can be used in picking and palletising applications. So we have our LBR Eva here, who can be used in collaborative applications. We've got a KR6 and a KR3, and we've also got some virtual reality here, so people can actually see how the robots would actually look on premise without having to make that initial investment. They can see what it will look like beforehand. So yeah, talking about some of the systems that we're able to provide.
Fantastic. And what type of clients do you have?
Oh, crikey. All manner of clients. Today and tomorrow into Thursday, we're ideally going to be talking to customers who have a logistics and supply chain business, maybe looking for a picking and palletising application that we're able to assist with.
Fantastic. And Mike, you're obviously here and you're from the SCM handling. What's your role in all of this?
So we're a system builder for KUKA. So we work almost exclusively with KUKA. And it's actually quite exciting because this is the first time we've done a collaborative stand with them. So there's a lot on offer. There's a lot for customers to see. We're finding the show's already been pretty fruitful. We're seeing customers from all sorts of industries. Food industry's been a big one for us so far. Yeah, there's a lot to see. There's a lot of interesting applications that we do. A lot of palletising, a lot of packaging, and it's a great opportunity for people to come and see some of these systems.
And so, what have you got on the stand that you can kind of show us?
So we've got two collaborative robots, two LBR Evas. So we have a 14-kilo payload and a 7-kilo payload. And these are sort of showing pick and placing applications. People are particularly interested in these because the collaborative nature of these robots, they don't need guarding, so they can work on production lines with people. Yeah. We've got a high-speed pick and place robot over here.
Can we see this working or moving?
Yeah, let me. I think I need to grab somebody to get it working.
What about the one behind? Is that moving?
Well, this is working. This is basically drawing pictures. So we'll take a photograph of somebody and then plot their face on the canvas. So we could actually go and see that one working now.
Let's go and have a look. That looks quite fun. So tell me a bit about how this works.
So we basically have a camera. What's interesting about this is it's not actually, there's no programming involved. It takes a photograph and then it basically plots the coordinates or the points on the photograph. So at the moment it's doing a picture of your colleague, I think. So yeah, it's an interesting one, this one. I'm not particularly familiar with this, to be honest. This isn't really our area, but this is more KUKA. This is Alan, who's been involved in.
So, Alan, tell me a little bit about this specific machinery.
Okay, what we're doing here is demonstrating vision capabilities. So what we're doing is we're using a little webcam. It's taken an image of in this case, of one of your colleagues. We've converted that to black and white. Then from that, we generate an XYZ path pattern. We send the path pattern to the robot, and the robot prints out the drawing. So we're not doing any programming. It's all driven by the vision system.
Wow, that's quite amazing, really, isn't it?
It's one of the things that we're doing now. I mean, SCM, one of our partners, is starting to use vision systems more and more, and this gives you the adaptability. It's taking it all towards that Industry 4, where we don't know what we're going to be doing from one moment to the next. We need to see it, we need to react to it, we need to program it. It's got to be driven by vision.
Brilliant. Now, listen, let me have a little quick chat to you guys about PPMA. Why is it important that you come to shows such as this?
I think the kind of customers it attracts, they're so in line with our business. So as I said before, we've got loads of food industry customers here, which is a really, really key industry for us. But we're seeing people from all over the sort of the packaging, with packaging requirements, the packaging world. So it's the PPMA is a real draw for people, which is great for us because we end up getting a lot of inquiries and end up doing a lot of business from it.
Fantastic. And Catherine, how about you? I'm just going to pop you around this way, so we've got the stand in the background.
I think robotics is changing so much. It's no longer a case of moving something from A to B. The technology has advanced to such an extent now. People are thinking about the smart factory solution, so the whole process. So I think it's why it's important people should come along, speak to us, to see what the technologies are available and the software that accompanies that technology and how we can help people.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. It was brilliant to chat to you. Have a great show.
Thank you.